10:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. We lost an hour in daylight savings time, so everybody who is a part of this show, everybody who's a part of my classes, and everybody who's watching me, yesterday it would only be 9:02 a.m., so it's a 1 hour difference for everybody who's watching, which means classes that are 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's some of you it might be an hour earlier, and once again, remember how the close used to be at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time here and not 7? We're once again back. So now when you watch my channel, the close is not 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's once again 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is perfect because that was the way I designed the classes to be around with the daily close. So now when classes start, it'll be right at the daily close. But we have something to talk about here. Enough of the shalala guala. We've got what I think is a last chance to pump today. So I think we have one last chance to pump today, but Bitcoin would have to hold these levels, and the problem is Bitcoin destined to 37,202 before we do make a pump? I don't know. But I can tell you one thing with XRP. If XRP is going to pump before the futures opens, it's going to be now. XRP is on a triple bottom. We've had... And triple bottoms are very bullish if they hold. 1, 2, right? And then we have a third hit right here. So we've got some stuff going on here. And if XRP can hold this, I mean, you're talking about a significant push up on this bull flag. And the fact that it's stuck around like this all weekend and not broke this area is always interesting. I mean, I'm not even going to do this. I'm going to do this conservatively, this flag. I mean, we've got a little bit of a move built in here, guys, for XRP. This triple bottom, we're talking about a better than almost 20, what is that, 17% move here if it breaks up. Conversely, if it breaks down, it would put you right at 67 cents approximately. So that's what we're looking at here. But it is a triple bottom and price volume going up. A lot of volume for rising price, right? Price up. Great, excellent volume on the rise, right? Price coming down. Crashing volume, crashing price. We've almost lost all that uptick with very little volume on the downside. This is a reversal that looks like it should come up to the upside. Like I've been telling everybody who wants to get in with XRP, this is the time. If you get in now, it's a triple bottom. You have a stop loss at, the 77, 76 cent area in case of a wick past it. Nothing major, a cent or two. And you call it a day if you think that this is going to be a bullish reversal, because we're running out of time. This will happen before the futures opens or around it. It might happen on the futures open. Like we could have a little pump up on the futures open today because tomorrow could just dump. So I'm watching this very closely because there is a chance that I'm just going to put in an order for XRP and then I'll just have a stop loss underneath the 77.8. So I would probably just put it at, under 77.8. I mean, you could literally have a stop loss here of less than a cent. Because if XRP runs, it's not going to fall underneath that. So XRP Future Millionaire, consider what I'm saying. Pay attention to this chart. Algo is the same way, except Algo came down below its farthest push. So now everybody should be taking that, with a little grain of salt here. Because we pushed down past here. So now it looks like this could be a reversal, but we have very little volume on Algo. I mean, if you're going to put some stock into something, it probably should be XRP at this point. Especially if we have a little bit of a run up here, because XRP's already put in a triple bottom. Stay blessed, everybody, and make sure you're paying very close attention to this update. Another one that's put in like several bottoms here is XLM. And XLM, a targeted move out of here. Might not be as big as XRP, but you're looking at a better than probably 10% push here on a break up. And then we've got DGB, who's put in a double bottom, very sneaky double bottom here at around the 1910 level. So if this did put in a double bottom again, this is also, these are all on sneaky flags that you could say. And yeah, you got to do them with your own discretion, but so yeah, this looks like it wants to fill out this cup up here. The 2138 is what this is kind of trying to tell us. So for DGB, again, that's a better than 13% push as well. I think these are, it's very tricky because if Bitcoin falls off, obviously it's over. But one thing that I'll tell you is when you come down, right, come down, consolidate, you got a nice push up, come down and just come right back into the consolidation. To me, I always look at that as a shakeout of the buyers. So now those buyers are gone and they sell, and then they buy again, you sell, and you get back into the consolidation a couple times, and then when it pops off, there's nothing stopping you, and it'll be a straight shot to 45.5. And that's what I feel like is going to happen. And I keep saying, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen either when the futures first opens or before Monday morning, but I still feel like the way that this is doing this, it's got to come up and hit a third time. But there is no guarantee to that. That's where a lot of people get stuck. So I would highly encourage you, XRP, with that kind of a triple bottom on a bull flag. Until XRP breaks that bull flag, it's a bull flag. And until it goes down through it now, after 3 hits and lack of volume trying to push through a third time, that's a pretty big sign that this is likely getting ready for the reversal up. So unless we have something cataclysmic, if you're a fan of XRP, I encourage you, I'm not a financial advisor, should you take my advice? Hell no. But if you're watching my channel, there's obviously a reason you're watching. I give the most trusted, I give the most accurate technical analysis. So I, as the XRP Future Millionaire, I'm telling you, if you're looking for a gamble today, take XRP, do a stop loss at 77 cents, and forget about it. Even from right here, just put the stop loss at 77 cents. 1.5 cents. So you're risking from 78.5 cents. You're risking for a 1.86% loss. And you can even put it at 77.7, 77.5, but I'm saying 1.75% loss to try to gain. So it's a 16-to-1 trade. You're trying to gain 16 times what you're going to lose. XRP Future Millionaire. This is a great decision on a Sunday morning. But obviously, you have to pay attention because if it breaks this structure, you can even put your stop loss at 77.89 because once it breaks the integrity of this triple bottom, it's going to crash. But as the volume's been coming down, we've had crashing volume, which means I don't think we're done yet. I think we go one more level, finish this pattern off, and we'll put our projected move up at 91,384. Somewhere around there. Stay blessed, everybody.